Please be ready for a dictation of part 2 of the inaugural speech by the Honorable PM in the 5-day RACE 2020 Global Summit on the Future of Artificial Intelligence on 5th October 2020. 5 seconds. Start. There are a few challenges that I would like to pose to this august audience. Can we use artificial intelligence for the optimal management of our assets and resources? At some places, resources are idle, while in other place there is a shortage of resources. Can we dynamically reallocate them to find optimal use? Can we delight our citizens with proactive and prompt delivery of services at their doorsteps? The future belongs to the youth, and every youngster matters. Each child has unique talents, capabilities, and aptitudes. At times, the right person ends up at the wrong place. There is a way we can change that. How about every child observing him or herself while growing up? Can parents, teachers, and friends carefully observe children? Observe them from their childhood to the start of adulthood and keep a record of them. This will go a long way in helping a child discover his or her natural calling. Those observations can be effective guiding forces for youngsters. Can we have a system which gives an analytic report on the aptitude of each child? This would open doors of opportunity for many youngsters. Such human resource mapping will have long-lasting benefits in governments and businesses. I see a big role for AI in empowering agriculture, healthcare, creating next generation urban infrastructure, and addressing urban issues like reducing traffic jams, improving sewage systems, and laying our energy grids. It can be used for making our disaster management systems stronger. It can even be used to solve the problem of climate change. Our planet is blessed with several languages. In India, we have several languages and dialects. Such diversity makes us a better society. As one respectable speaker just suggested, why not use AI to seamlessly bridge language barriers? Let us think about simple and effective ways of how AI can empower specially abled brothers and sisters. Why not use AI for knowledge sharing? There are few things as empowering as making knowledge, information, and skills easily accessible. It remains our collective responsibility to ensure trust in how AI is used. Algorithm transparency is key to establishing this trust. Equally important is accountability. We must protect the word against weaponization of AI by non-state actors. While we discuss AI, let also have no doubts about human creativity and human emotions continue to be our greatest strength. They are our unique advantage over machines. The smartest of AI cannot solve mankind's problems without blending with our intellect and empathy. We should also think of how we will retain this intellectual edge over machines. We should ensure that we take care so that human intelligence is always a few steps ahead of AI. We should think about how AI can help humans to increase their own capacities. I want to state again, AI will unlock the unique potential of each person. It will empower them to contribute more effectively to the society. Here at RAISE Summit 2020, we have created a global forum for the world's leading stakeholders. Let us exchange ideas and chart a common course for the adoption of artificial intelligence. It is critical that all of us work together as partners for this. I thank you for coming together to participate in this truly global event. I wish the global summit all success. I'm sure that the discussions over the next 4 days will help create an action roadmap for responsible AI, a roadmap that can truly help transform lives and livelihoods across the world. My best wishes to you all. Thank you very much. Stop.